Morning, class 11 basic maths calculus. Today I am going to teach you how to find the differential coefficient of cosec x from the first principle. Solution. First of all, you have to let y equal cosec x. Equation number 1, y equal cosec x. If delta x and delta y be the small increment or increments in x and y respectively, we get, instead of y you can write y plus delta y. Instead of x you can write x plus delta x. Question number 2. And what to do? On subtraction, we get delta y equal cosec x plus delta x minus cosec x. On subtraction, y cancel, delta y equal cosec bracket x plus delta x minus cosec x, or delta y equal, you have to change cosec into 1 by sine, 1 upon sine x plus delta x minus this one is 1 upon sine x. Then take LCM, or delta y equal sine x into sine x plus delta x. Now it comes here, sine x minus sine x plus delta x, or delta y equal, use the formula sine a minus sine b. Sine a minus sine b equal, first of all write down the formula, sine a minus sine b equal sine minus sine 2 cos sine, 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sine a minus b by 2. Use this formula, sine minus sine 2 cos sine, sine a minus sine b, 2 cos a, this is a, plus b by 2 into 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sine a minus this is a, b is x plus delta x, small bracket, curly bracket, upon 2. What is the formula? Upon denominator, sine x into sine x plus delta x. Sine a minus sine b equal 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sine a minus b by 2. What is the formula? The formula is, because sine a minus sine b equal 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sine a minus b by 2. This is the formula. Apply this formula. Again, y cosec x, y plus delta y cosec x plus delta x. Subtract this minus this, cosec x plus delta x minus cosec x. Change cosec into 1 upon sine. Take LCM, sine x minus sine x plus delta x. Only numerator, sine minus sine 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sine a minus b by 2. Technique, sine minus sine 2 cos sine, and denominator same, right up this. Or delta y equal 2 cosec, remove the bracket, x plus x plus delta x upon not cos, right? Here cos 2 cos x plus delta x by 2 into sin x minus delta x by 2 upon denominator keep the denominator same, sin x into sin x plus delta x is denominator, or delta y equal to cos x plus x twice x by 2 is x, delta x by 2. Arrange like terms, simplify. X cancel, sin minus delta x by 2 upon denominator or delta y equal is sin minus sin 2 cos x plus delta x by 2 into sin minus a equal minus sin a upon denominator. Same denominator is sin x into sin x plus delta x. To remember. Or now we have to divide by dividing by delta x. We get here dividing means divide both sides. We get delta y upon delta x equals is minus plus minus 2 cos x plus delta x by 2. Here this minus right here you already taking a line. This one is sin delta x by 2 upon delta x upon denominator. Now these two can be written on this side. How? Delta y upon delta x equals minus cos x plus delta x by 2 into sin delta x by 2 upon delta x by 2 upon denominator. Same denominator. This one is left. Now dy by dx, differential coefficient of y with respect to x. Limit delta x tends to 0, delta y upon delta x is left. Equal limit delta x tends to 0, put the value of delta y upon delta x minus cos, remember, x plus delta x upon 2 into sin delta x by 2 upon delta x by 2 upon denominator is sin x plus delta x, sin x plus delta x. Limit delta x tends to 0. Now don't write down the limit, direct put the value equal is minus cos x plus delta x equals 0 by 2. This one is 1 upon sin x into sin x plus 0. Put delta x equal 0. The value of delta x. Put the limiting value. Now simplify it. Minus cos 0 by 2 is 0. 0 plus x is x into 1 upon sin x into x plus 0 is x sin x. Now we have to write in this way, cos x by sin x into 1 by sin x. Cos by sin into 1 by sin equal minus cos by sin is cot x, 1 by sin is cos x. Therefore, the derivative of cosec x with respect to x is equal to minus cot x into cosec x. This is the derivative. How to do? So y plus delta y equal cosec x plus delta x. Then subtraction, delta y equal cosec x plus delta x minus cosec x. Change cosec into 1 by sine. Take LCM and apply the formula sin A minus sin B equal 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Sin minus sin, 2 cos sin. Take LCM, divide both sides by delta x and put in the proper form. Here, delta x equals 0. In the numerator, cos x. In the denominator, sin x into sin x. Cos by sin into 1 by sin. Cos by sin cot x, 1 by sin cosec x. So, derivative of cosec x with respect to x equal minus cot x into cosec x. Or you can write minus cosec x into cot x. A into B, B into A.